presenting the Dodge 2019 Charger GT. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Enjoy these notable features: black cloth performance seats, transmission, 8-speed automatic, 850re, STD, pitch black clear coat, black top package included, gloss black badges wheels, 20-inch x 8.0 inches black noise painted gloss black IP cluster trim rings satin black Charger deck lid badge black one-piece performance spoiler, wheels, 20-inch x 8.0 black noise painted, quick order package 29H included, engine 3.6L V6 24V VVT transmission, 8-speed automatic, 850re, engine, 3.6L V6 24V VVT, STD tires, P245/45 ZR20 AS performance, STD, and engine, 3.6L V6 24V VVT, FFV.